In a forest there were many animals living in peace and friendship. The animals young and old had their own activities, but they all loved to gather and play together. Once upon a time, little bunny Riku was exploring the corners of the forest with his curiosity. On one of the tracks, he was surprised by a strange thing moving very slowly. That thing was Timmy the little turtle. Rico approached Timmy and asked curiously, "Hey, what are you doing here alone?" "I enjoy my time alone," Timmy replied coldly. "Sometimes I like to be alone and wander in the woods." Rico felt sympathy and decided to offer Timmy to join him and his friends in playing and having fun. He said, "Why don't you come with me and meet my friends? We'll have great adventures together." Timmy's face looked a little hesitant, but he realized that this might be an opportunity to meet new friends and try new things. And he said, Okay with that. Let's go and meet your friends." Rico accompanied Timmy to the gathering place, where the other animals were playing, laughing, and racing. Rico introduced Timmy to his friends, and he gladly introduced her. Timmy meets Rico's friends, including the sweet bunny Lily, the playful fox Frederick, and the energetic squirrel Nora. Although Timmy is shy at first, she soon realizes that these friends welcome her warmly and offer her support and assistance. Timmy begins to get involved in play and fun, and discovers that friendship can be full of fun and adventure. Thus, the friendship journey of Rico, Timmy, Lila, Frederick, and Nora begins. They had fun and explored together, and learned how to cooperate and respect each other. Each of them gives and receives support and love in this wonderful friendship. And so their friendship story continued to evolve and blossom, and they knew they would always be true friends and stick together through all the adventures they had. After Timmy becomes part of Rico's friend, Lila, Frederick, and Nora begin to have new and exciting adventures together. They were playing in the jungle and exploring the unknown areas, and every moment was an exciting and enjoyable experience for everyone. And one day, they decided on a new challenge. They wanted to get to the top of the neighboring mountain and enjoy a wonderful view of the forest and the picturesque scenery. They started their journey full of enthusiasm and challenge. They were working together to overcome the obstacles and difficulties that faced them on their way to the top. Rico helped Timmy keep her pace slow and encouraged her not to give up. Layla provided ideas for planning and organization, while Frederick used his wit and ingenuity to help solve technical problems. Nora made everyone happy with her endless activity and constant motivation. Along the way, they encountered challenges such as large trees, rickety bridges, and rugged paths. However, they supported each other and helped each other overcome these challenges. Whenever they stumbled, they encouraged each other to get up and keep going. After much effort and unrelenting determination, they finally reached the top of the mountain. The look was magical and gorgeous, and each of them felt proud and happy with what they had achieved together. They were celebrating success and sharing good laughs and chatter. And at that moment, they were more than ever assured of the strength of their friendship. They overcame challenges and overcame difficulties thanks to cooperation and mutual support. They learned that friendship is true strength and that they can achieve anything when they are together. Thus, their interesting mountain trip came to an end, and they returned to the forest with minds full of beautiful memories and incomparable strong friendship. After they have returned from their exciting mountain trip, the daily life of our 5 friends in the forest has begun. They would meet regularly and spend quality time together, whether playing games, exchanging stories, or helping each other with daily tasks. And one day, something important happened. Layla got a small wound when she was exploring a new place in the woods. The wound was small, but Layla was in pain and anxious. At this time, the friendship between them crossed the line. Rico, Timmy, Frederick, and Nora come to Layla's aid. They suggested that they tend to her wound and provide her with emotional support. They gathered around Layla and gave her comfort and care. They washed the wound gently and put a bandage on it. But most importantly, they were giving her emotional support and kind words to comfort her and ease her pain. Layla was grateful for their friendship and concern. She realized the value of true friendship and its positive impact on her life. I also learned that in difficult times, friends can be the support and help. From this moment on, their friendship became even stronger and deeper. Provide mutual support and share joy and sorrow together. They become a little family in the woods, and the story of their friendship is inspiring to all. While playing in the woods, Rico, Timmy, Lila, Frederick, and Nora explore a mysterious passage that leads to a dark, uncharted forest. The dense trees were blocking the sunlight, creating a mysterious and exciting atmosphere. Despite doubts and stress, they decide to explore the dark forest together. They knew that friendship and cooperation were the key to their success in this adventure. As they progressed through the jungle, they faced new and exciting challenges. There were mysterious voices and frightening shadows moving around them. However, with the strength of friendship and mutual trust, they transcend their fears and face the unknown. During their journey, they discover small glowing creatures living in the dark forest. Those creatures needed their help. They lost their way home. Without hesitation, they decided to help her and guide her to the right path. Together, they discover that the little creatures are new friends they can count on. Help them return to their families and show them the love and care they have learned from the value of friendship. With this, more than one adventure in the dark forest was achieved. They returned to the main forest filled with happiness and pride in what they had achieved together. This experience strengthened their friendship and taught them that they can overcome any challenge when they are together. Did you like the story? Do not forget to like and subscribe so as not to miss the second part of our story. Goodbye.